Say goodbye to complex data tools. Discover the simplicity and power of Apache Superset. Are you a small business owner or a tech enthusiast looking for a powerful yet budget-friendly way to explore your data? Pause. Apache Superset is your new best friend. This open-source platform allows you to create and share dynamic dashboards and visualizations, all without breaking the bank. Pause. Why choose Apache Superset over others? It's simple. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it perfect for those who are not tech wizards. Plus, it's completely free, cutting down your costs significantly compared to other tools like Power BI. Pause. Dive deep into your data with features like SQL editors and real-time visualizations. Customize it to your heart's content to meet your unique business needs. Pause. So, whether you're tracking customer trends or managing inventory, Apache Superset makes data analysis a breeze. Pause. Ready to transform your data into actionable insights? Try Apache Superset today. And don't forget, follow, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Let's make data work for you.